You heard of the quote? Every picture tells a story. This is exactly what we are going to learn today in this session, picture composition. To start with, is on your aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. And if you look at them carefully, every picture is trying to say something. So, let us get going. But before we move ahead, let us first know what a picture composition is. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. It means that you have to describe what you see in the picture given to you in your own words in the form of a composition. Children, you can either write a story or a description based on the picture. Students, before we begin writing the picture composition, we have to keep certain points in mind. First of all, observe the picture carefully. It means like the things or the actions you see in the picture. Try to cover every minute detail of the picture. Second, note down your observations in a logical manner, as these points help in writing meaningful sentences. Third, write a suitable title based on the main theme of the picture. Write it at the top of the composition as a heading. Fourth, begin with a good introduction to give some idea about the composition. Fifth, use present tense while describing the picture. Sixth, use colorful language. Try to use similes, phrases, sounds, etc. in the composition to make it interesting. Seventh, keep the picture composition short and simple. Follow your composition format of 5 paragraphs. But remember, children, in picture composition, the paragraphs will be short. Eighth, wind up the picture composition or conclude it with a catchy line. The last line should be the most impressive part of your picture composition. And now, the last but not the least, don't forget to take care of spelling mistakes, punctuation marks, and grammatical errors. This is an important step and cannot be missed. Let us now understand the topic with the help of a picture. Here's the first picture. Wow, what a beautiful scene. Let us now see what this picture is trying to tell about itself. Observe the picture very carefully and write down your observation. What is the picture showing? It is depicting a picnic scene. I can see a family also in the picture. So, think of a beautiful title for the picture. Family picnic can be a suitable title. Once the title part is done, now start framing the sentences to form paragraphs. Try to write everything that you see in the picture. I can see many trees in the picture. There are yellow flowers and lush green grass. 2 beautiful butterflies are sitting on the flowers. I can see children here. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 children in the picture. There is an old man also. What is he doing? He is drinking something. Might be tea or coffee. I can see a boy swinging on the branches of the tree, and not to miss the picnic hamper full of goodies. I can see some tempting things spread on the mat too. Children, if you find something else, then write it down too. Try to write everything you see in the picture. As you know, keen observation is the key to write a picture composition. And children, just keep one thing in mind. Avoid beginning the paragraphs with a pronoun and writing the sentence I love or like this picture very much. Here I have written a picture composition for all of you to have a look. Just go through it once with me and I'm sure you will be able to write your own picture composition. Let me now read out for you. Family picnic. This is a picnic scene. A family has come to enjoy the picnic. Family picnics are the best way to spend quality time with our family members. There is greenery everywhere. I can see some trees, beautiful yellow flowers, and lush green grass. There is white fence also. Two pretty colorful butterflies are sitting on the flowers. It seems to be a sunny day, though I can see some white fluffy clouds in the blue sky. There are 3 birds flying in the sky. There are 4 children in the picture. The boy in a red striped shirt is swinging on the branches of a big tree like a monkey, whereas the boy wearing a green t-shirt is munching chips. One of the 2 children who are sitting is offering an apple to the other one. The old man in the picture is drinking tea. The old man must be the grandfather. He is wearing white shirt and brown trousers. A young man wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue jeans is standing beside him. He has a camera around his neck. A woman is putting sandwiches on the plate. She is wearing a green and purple suit. There is a yellow mat on which tempting eatables are spread. I can see cups, plates, jug, glass, and a thermos flask on the mat. The cups are red in color. There is a picnic hamper, a colorful ball, and a pair of purple slippers too. It is a beautiful picture. Everyone is looking cheerful and happy. Now it's your turn, children. Here I have given 2 pictures. You have to observe them and write a picture composition on your own. Try to make it as interesting as possible. Believe me, children, it's going to be a great fun.